Hello, my name is PJ O'Brien. I'm the Operations Supervisor for Gwinn Area Community Schools. We'll be talking to you today about the middle school, high school renovations and repairs, which is part 2 of a 2-part series. All of the high school science rooms have original countertops, plumbing, electrical, gas lines, flooring, cabinetry, heating systems, and fume hoods. All of these systems are showing the wear and tear of their age and need replacement. Although we've made significant progress with the use of grants and sinking fund, about half of the major air handling systems in the middle school, high school are still original and are in need of replacement. The systems are just showing their signs of their age with natural wear and tear. Other systems that people don't necessarily see that are in need of repair or replacement are water mains, fire suppression systems, door mechanisms, and transformers, with at least one transformer in the vocational wing that is beginning to fail. The kitchen is in need of renovations. What was being prepared and served back in 1960 is different than what's being prepared and served today. Also, with the addition of breakfast, it has substantially increased the demands on the kitchen. There's also other systems inside the kitchen that need to be replaced, such as the sink and the dishwasher. In the auditorium, the curtains are in need of replacement and some acoustical treatments in order to improve sound quality within the performance area. Things that need to be done in the other classrooms and other spaces throughout the school include the abatement and removal of the 9x9 floor tiles in classrooms, the replacement of exterior doors and door systems, the removal of temporary walls throughout the building and installation of permanent walls, and the ceiling tiles throughout the hallways and the classrooms are original, and many of them show their age from 1960 and are in need of replacement, along with the lights that are in those spaces. Thank you for watching.